of the day. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. One day, I decided to quit my job and to end my life. There seems to be no reason for me to live any longer. I quit my job, my relationship, my spirituality, everything. I wanted to quit my life. I went to deep woods to have one last talk with God. God, I asked, can you give me one good reason not to quit? His answer surprised me. Look around, he said. Do you see the fern and the bamboo? I said, yes. When I planted the fern and the bamboo seeds, I took very good care of them. I gave them light, I gave them water. The fern quickly grew from the earth. Its brilliant green covered the floor, yet nothing came from the bamboo seed. But I did not quit on the bamboo. In second year, the fern grew more vibrant and plentiful. And again, nothing came from bamboo seed. But I did not quit on the bamboo. It continued, but in the fifth year, a tiny sprout emerged from the earth. Compared to fern, it was seemingly small and insignificant. But just 6 months later, the bamboo rose to over 100 feet tall. It spent the 5 years growing roots. Those roots made it strong and gave it what it needed to survive. I would not give any of my creation a challenge it could not handle. He asked me, did you know, my child, that all this time you have been struggling, you have actually been growing roots. I would not quit on the bamboo. I will never quit on you. Don't compare yourself to other. He said, the bamboo had a different purpose than the fern. I left the forest and I brought back the story. I hope these words can help you see that God will never give up on you. Never give up on you. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. Thank you. Have a blessed day.